Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Poco F2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and for now, as you can see, we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to change it, and we can do it by using this settings bar here and simply slide to the left to the slow motion, which is at the first position here. And as you can see here, we can start recording by using this big red button, and also the important information is that we can control the speed of the slow motion. Here in the center we can pick from 960 fps, 120 fps and 240 fps, so I'm going to stay on this and start recording to show you how it works. And stop, and let's go to the preview to see what we've got and play. And as you can see, this is the slow motion video at this device. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.